Welcome to Washboardjim's Option Challenge, and we're going to talk about a stock that I took in the challenge on Friday, and that's going to be our favorite stock, Alibaba. While you're still here, please subscribe, ring that bell for future updates. I'm doing this challenge live on YouTube when the market opens till the market closes for right now, and you can follow along with me. But we're going to talk about Baba, and I'm really liking this stock ever since they had the settlement with Jack Ma and the Chinese government, and I think we're ready to move back up a little bit and kind of find us a little resistance level here in the next couple of days. So I took the trade on Friday. The challenge went from 1,000. I started it with a margin account, and then I got in, raised $2,000 on it, and I also opened up a cash account, which allows me 6 PDT trades per the period of 5 days, and that excites me. It's a little bit easier to make this account grow bigger and faster, and it allows me that time, that little elapse. Plus I'm swinging 2 to 3, maybe 4 stocks each night if I'm able to. The objective is to raise this up to 10 grand and then raise it up to 100,000. So for right now, we're going to go ahead and talk about the trade itself. I got in Baba the April 30th, 2021 at the 235 strike, and I made 3 different entries in it. I'm starting in small, and then if it dips on me, I add on, and that's been working for me real well. And I'm not really loading the boat yet. I'm going to wait until I get to about 10 grand, and then I'm going to take a little bit more risk and add more options per each trade I make. So I got in at 215, the April 30th, 235 strike, and I bought another one at 197, and then I bought one later on that day at 1235 at 183. And then we did have a nice little bounce. It leaves me an average of 198, and the closing price was at 218. So I'm up $60 on the trade right now. We're going to go ahead and look at the chart. I'm really liking the chart right now. I think we had a nice little breakout here when that news came out, and she's pulled back ever since. We have some pretty nice 3 descending candles, and then we had us a little hammer right here at the bottom, and I'll show you that little, some of them call it a dragonfly. And then she went ahead and broke on up. Then Friday we had a real good day where she run into the 9 EMA. This is my SMA chart. I have the 21, I have the 50, and I have the 200. I think this thing can get back up here and hit that 50 again. So we're going to draw a couple trend lines on here for resistance levels, and one of them is going to be right here on the body of this spinning top at 232.88, and then the next one's going to be right up here, right around the 234 area. Pullback support going to be right in here, right around the 230, and then we have another one right here at 229.79. I don't think we want it to really go much lower than that, but if it does dip lower, we could have us a nice strong buy down here at 228.70. So we're going to go ahead and bring this up one more time up here to the long resistance of 237.40. If she does start to pick up momentum this week, we could hit that and run into that 50-day. So let's bring this up to the 20-minute, see if there's anything we missed. We did have a nice little symmetrical flag right in here, and I do like the trend line that's coming up from the bottom. We'll magnify this up. I'll go ahead and draw me a couple lines in here where I think that flag is. Right about there, and then we have definitely from the bottom down here all the way up to this one here, and I'll extend it on out to the right. So there's, you got your flag. She's getting ready to squeeze. She's going to break out soon, and I think it can run on up. I'm going to extend this one out 2 to the right. Real tight squeeze. So I think this thing's going to open up higher on Monday unless something happens bad over Sunday night or something. I think we can run up to this 200, and this is on the 20-day 1-hour chart. That's the 200 SMA. We got a double top that we need to get to, and that's going to be right here at 233.63. Whoops. Got to turn this back to the tool. double top right there, 233.63. We're going to go ahead and put this right in here. It's 59. So if we go ahead and break out, we're going to have a hard resistance at first at that 233.59 area, give or take a few cents, and then we'll take it back up to the 234.64. Then we'll have another resistance level here at 235.68 with a long at 237.40 if it can break this resistance level here, and I'm talking about a hard resistance at 233.59. If it doesn't break that, I might get out of the trade, but I think we can break that double top and run it on up. And this is that 20-day 1 hour, and that could take us up to that 234.20 and find a little resistance like we did right here. So that's the name of the plan. We got 3 support levels on it, no lower than 230.63, 229.79 with a strong buy down here at 228.70. And that's going to be Baba. It's like I said in my challenge account, I'm up 570% on this account, and I'm going to keep doing this. I look for the good scalp each day. I've been scalping Tesla every morning right off the bat, trying to get a trade out of it. And if I have any more day trades left, I try to keep one blank for the next day. And then when my swing trades come up, and I'm up on the swing trade, I'll go ahead and sell it first thing in the morning, take my profit, and if it does dip on down, it depends on if I have a day trade or not, or I might just cut and take out my losses, but it depends if we fall into support level. And I'm kind of a technical trader, so I read these charts pretty well, and we'll just see how it goes. And that's going to be it for Alibaba. And always remember to subscribe, ring that bell to this channel, and you'll get my future updates. And then you can follow me live. I did 4 days live last week. I had a successful day, green day on all 4 days, and I'm going to keep this streak going. We're going to get this to 10,000, then we're going to run it up to 100,000, and I'm going to be doing live broadcasts on this every day, and I'll be doing short videos on stocks that I'm watching, stocks that I'm in. And then this Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern time, I'm going to be also live. I'm going to talk a little bit about my challenge and my strategy in this challenge. Plus, I'm going to go over stocks that you like, and I'm going to talk about them and chart them up. So let's have a great day, and we'll definitely see you on Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern time. Washboard Jim's Option Challenge.